To set up the beginning of year assessment, you're going to begin by going to the staff links and finding Schoology. You can also type gisd.schoology.com. Now, once you're there, it should take you to your course dashboard and you should see all of the sections that you have. If you do not see them, click on Courses and navigate over to My Courses on the right-hand side. If you click My Courses, you should see all of your current courses and any archived. Once you have found a section that you're going to assess, click on one of those classes. From here, you're going to go to Add Materials, Add Common Assessment, wait for it to load, and in the Choose Assessments, you can type BOY, beginning of year, and just hit Enter, and you should see GISD BOY. So whatever is pertinent to your exam, you're going to tick that box and add to course. Now that it's there, I can copy this to my other courses by going over to the Settings cog and choose Copy to Courses. Now I just have to select the courses that need this particular assessment. Oops, missed one. Make sure you scroll through so that you don't miss any of your courses. Click Copy, and then all of your courses should have that assessment. So just to check, we're going to go to a different section, and there is that GISD, BOY, SAT 11 reading test, because this is for my juniors. Later on, you will have to make sure that you publish this. So that can be done just by doing that. I think you would need to go through and publish individually to each class. Now there's one more step. We need to go to Performance Matters. To do that, you're going to log into PowerSchool. So again, you can go to staff links, or if you have it bookmarked, you're welcome to do that. You know what? I have it bookmarked. I'm just going to do that because it's faster and easier. Because it automatically logs you in now. So then you just have to find the app launcher, click that, and you'll get the menu of Hoonuit, Pearson Courses, and Performance Matters. So I click there and wait for it to load. Once you're in Performance Matters, you're going to go over to the Tests menu on the left-hand side. Under Administration, you're going to choose Assessment Manager. In the search by title or ID, again, type in BOY, hit Enter to search, and find that test that you assigned in Schoology. So for me, here it is, GISD, BOY, SAT 11. Go over to the actions, this ellipsis over here. I click, and I'm going to assign online paper-based. So it automatically has my students. I tick the box on the left-hand side, and it will select all of these students. I will say my number is currently not correct. It's missing some of my inclusion kids. So if you are having that issue, make sure that you let someone know. But for all intents and purposes, we're just going to push through because all I have to do now is assign, and then it tells me that this assessment is assigned to these 33 kids. I could unassign if I want to, but I believe that is all we have to do. So step one was getting into Schoology, going to Add Materials, Add Common Assessment, find it there. Then we went to the Settings cog to Copy to Courses. Later we will publish. And then we had to go into PowerSchool, where we use this app launcher to get into Performance Matters, to use the test menu, to go to the Assessment Manager, to find the same assessment, go to the actions, and assign online paper-based. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, make sure to reach out to your instructional coach or administrators. Thanks for watching.